Hello, everyone. I'm Mr. Grasso. I'll be your teacher this year for math and for economics as well. So this is a quick introduction into the class for everyone. So these are the classes I'll be teaching. So we have A, Financial, C, Senior Algebra 2, D, Geometry, Honors, E, Practical Economics, and then F, Senior Algebra 2. A little bit about me. I've been teaching at Norton for over 17 years, and my wife is a teacher at the high school as well, Mrs. Grasso. She's a social studies teacher, and our kids go to the JCS, at least Grant so far. Here are the Google Sites. I made a link to this presentation, so you can get this in the email. This is also a link. I post the homework as well. You can use, just a quick heads up, we are going to use ClassLink for all e-passes, hall passes again this year. And I will be going over in class how to get access to the books. We do have a cleaning station again, right near the door. So we'll be able to clean desks at the end of class again. I have the agenda on the board every day. Homework is always posted online and on the board. This is what ClassLink looks like. Most of you should be familiar with it, but if this is your first time at Norton High School, this is what it will look like. And then I'm here every Monday for sure. If you want to make an appointment, I'll do any time. But yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. But even if you want to see me during LLB, we can use LLB for that time as well. LLB is a little differently this year, a little different. It alternates. So Monday is a 10-minute LLB. Day 1 is a 10-minute. Day 2 is a 30-minute. The reason why they're alternating every other day, day 3 is 10-minute. Day 4 is 30-minute. So that you get more time so you can get extra help when you need it if you want to use that time during the day. First homework assignment we're going to go over is just signing a criteria and the expectations for the year, and any upcoming assignments, and getting to know you survey. So I'm excited about this year. Look forward to seeing you. Bye.